Tired of waiting for your crops to grow? I'm going to show you how to build an automatic composter that will churn out bone meal like it's nobody's business. First, gather your materials. You'll need a composter, a chest, a hopper, building blocks. I'm using stone bricks, but anything works, and a water bucket. Start by placing your chest on the ground. This will be where your bone meal collects. Next, place a hopper directly on top of the chest. Make sure it's connected. You'll see it funneling into the chest. This hopper will collect the bone meal. Now, place the composter on top of the hopper. This is where the magic happens, where all the organic waste is converted into bone meal. Place building blocks behind the composter. Place a hopper on top of those blocks, facing into the composter. This hopper will feed the composter with organic material. You can use more chests attached to this hopper to hold all your organic waste. Fill the top hopper with your organic waste, like saplings, seeds, wheat, carrots, or anything else that can be composted. The composter will automatically turn the waste into bone meal. And there you have it. Your automatic composter is up and running. Now you'll have a steady supply of bone meal to supercharge your farming efforts. Happy growing.